Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Binance. Alright, so let's begin with the video. For that, you will have to first launch your Bybit mobile application and then tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Then, among the given options, you will have to select the Withdraw option. After that, in the search bar, you will have to search for USDT and you simply need to select the USDT option. Then, you will be landed on the On-Chain Withdrawal option page, where you just have to fill out the details. First, you will have to provide the deposit address or the QR code. To get this, you need to launch your Binance mobile application and log into your account. Afterwards, you need to tap on the Add Funds button at the top, and then tap on Deposit Crypto from the list. In the search bar, you simply need to search for USDT, and after that, it will ask you to select the network. You will have to select any network that you prefer. Let's say you have selected the BEP20 network. After selecting it, Binance will show you the QR code as well as the deposit address, which you need to copy. Then go back to Bybit, and you simply need to paste the copied address in the address bar. After that, in the network section, you will have to select the same network that you have selected in Binance. Since we selected BEP20 network in Binance, you must also select BEP20 network in Bybit. Then, in the Amount section, you will have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to transfer from Bybit to Binance. Once done, tap on the Withdraw button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you just have to confirm your withdrawal. This way, you will be able to easily transfer your USDT from Bybit to Binance. So that's basically how you can transfer USDT from Bybit to Binance. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.